Ang kapanahunan ko po ay si Teddy Casino. He was the national national president of CEGP. I was the regional chairman of the CEGP. Do I know him also to be part of the CPP? Hindi na po ako magpapaka-ipokrito, Mr. Chair, Mr. President. Yes. We were all CPP, they are still CPP. They are still part of the Communist Party, and worse, they deny it, and they are not admitting it to the nation. That is why they are not here. I was supposed to meet them here. Maganda sanang nandito kami para lahat ng circumstances to be asked by Senate and to be known by the people ay masasagot. Mr. Chair, I operated po sa dalawang mundo ng CPP na hindi po ito masyadong naiintindihan. From 91 to 2001, Mr. Chair, Senator Ping, involved ka sa history ko. Ikaw po ang Chief PNP. Yun ang huli ko pong bahagi sa open mass movement na pinatalsik namin si Pangulong Estrada.